So, the oldest car at ZZPerformance is about to race the newest car at ZZPerformance.
Yep.
And oldest mod car, newest mod car, I guess.
I gave you all I could give you, so I hope it wins now.
40 pounds.
He's 2 miles an hour slower, but he's leading.
We're going down to like 20. We turned it up.
And he turned it up. So
Sorry, Bo.
Sorry, Bo.
3800 is gonna have to just stay second best.
Any final words for Bo? Your reign was over. It's gonna be over very quickly. We turned up the boost and it's gonna get spicy. Go get that Sonic.
fixing to.
Take that shit! Loser! Oh, nothing like racing your best friend with a couple of cars you worked really hard on. What happened out there?
Fucked it up.
Yeah, I missed fourth. Yeah, I don't know, I must have hit the gate because I shifted and let off the clutch and there was nothing. And then put the clutch in again and then it was there. No, it's fine. You'll get him tomorrow. What happened to Tyler there?
Well, it don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile or what happened along the way. Win is win. 3800 beat the Sonic. How you feel about that, Tyler?
It pains me. Pains me.
Al, I think he's, I don't know what he's doing.
I think he's turning it up more. That's not going to help the ship.